Hi, didn't see you there. I was just too busy playing Pokemon. What's up, Backers? It's GoldieBlox, and guys, today's video is all about Pokemon hacks. I have been obsessed with Pokemon for a while now. The movie Detective Pikachu is coming out, so I'm getting in the spirit. I already have my Pikachu onesie, which I'm gonna be wearing to the movie. Check out that video down below. Anyways, it's time to hack your world. We have a Pikachu Piñata. Guys, I think this is one of the cutest things I've ever made. I love him. First of all, he's fuzzy. I mean, yeah, and I can't break him open. Like, do you see that little cute little face? I love him. Pikachu Piñata, let's hack it. For this DIY, I'll need a balloon, a whisk, a bowl, flour, newspaper, scissors, yellow ribbon, yellow tissue paper, white glue, red, white, and black paper, yellow cardstock, and a pencil. First, cut up the newspaper. Make a glue with some flour and water. Mix it well so there's no lumps. Next, blow up the balloon to your desired piñata size. The newspaper, dip it in your flour glue, and place it onto the balloon. Repeat this until you cover up the entire balloon, except the small circle around the bottom. Add a second layer. Place a long piece of yellow ribbon around the balloon. Then add a third layer of paper mache. Let it dry overnight. When it's completely hardened and dry, cut the balloon and remove it. Next, roll up the tissue paper and cut off about 3 inches. Unroll this piece and cut about halfway up, about ½ an inch apart to create a Pika fringe. Glue the fringe to the paper mache. Cut a Pikachu face out of the cardstock. Glue the fringe and black accent pieces to the ears. Glue the ears and face to the piñata. Fill it with candy and you're done! Bash away to your heart's content. Guys, I was actually gonna destroy this because, you know, that's what I do best. You know, I destroy. But look at his face. I just couldn't do it. Like, I just can't. I'll do his, like, his little friends over there, his unfinished ones. But, yeah, I won't be hurting him today. He'll just be hanging up in my room. This is what he looks unfinished. Very pretty. It kind of looks like a caterpillar, like, cocoon. It looks like a cocoon. So, we're gonna break the cocoon today. Let's break it. Safety first, put on your goggles. You don't want candy in your eyeballs. That's never fun. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm in the dent. Uno más. 1, 2, 3. Are you kidding me? Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, wait. This is so fun. Oh my god. Okay, we're done. I'm so sorry. And that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, but also subscribe for more DIYs every single Friday, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss one. If you guys remake any of these hacks, make sure to tag @GoldieBlox on Instagram. I want to see them. That's it for today's video. GoldieBlox signing off.